Good morning. Your girl is up and ready to go. I'm trying to make longer vlogs, but I'm not a fan of recording in public, but I'm gonna try harder. This was a donut peach. It was so good, you guys. Like, oh my goodness. If you have a Sprouts in your city, go get these donut peaches. They're in season and they're really, really good. And clearly I loved it. I ate the whole thing in the car. Next, we went and got the car washed. As you can see right here, scrub it up, dub, honey. Got to keep that up. Especially in this Texas heat, it's so crazy. After this, I went to the grocery store to pick up a few things. I'm always picking up a few things. It's never like a full-on grocery shop. It's always a few things. I need to stop doing that. Yeah, these people definitely know me by name. But this is everything I got. And then I packed it up and left. Next, my baby father treated me to Starbucks. This is my favorite mix. It's so good. I don't get regular milk. I get oat milk because it's better for my stomach. For lunch, I ate some more of this whole wheat Cobb salad pasta. I already have this on my channel. You guys should check it out. It's so good, filling, and nutrient dense. Of course, I gotta keep up with my blood pressure, and it was great today. 6 months, y'all. Controlled. I was hungry about a few hours later and I made a snack. This cucumber, plumcots, feta, heirloom tomatoes, mint, and balsamic glaze. It was so good. If you want the recipe, I mean, there's no real recipe to it, but it was good. And then for dinner, my baby father ordered out, and it was rotisserie chicken and plantains, and that was it. Love you guys. Bye.